Previously on Roses and Daggers.
You have always been content to stay home as a stay-home mom. And I never tried to push you to stop working.
I did that because between the two of us, one of us had to have time for our son. I hoped you would appreciate me for that.
Of course, I appreciate you. And why are we even having this conversation?
We are having this conversation because you always seem to find a way back into her life.
I know I've been silly lately.
Yes, you have.
I just can't believe this is happening to me. You know,
I'm sorry.
no, I am sorry. I know I've been acting like a 12-year-old girl in love.
Yeah, you did act like one.
Yeah.
Which of the deputies was here today?
Honorable Seidu.
Where is he?
He went out about 10 minutes ago.
Okay.
Should I get him for you?
No. Oh, just give me 10 minutes to settle down. And then I'll deal with them. But please get me some pain relievers.
Okay.
Thank you. How many people are out there?
7.
7.
Yeah.
All for me or for the others?
No, they are waiting for you.
Okay, just give me 10 minutes to beat this headache. And then I'll sort them out. Hi, Festus.
This is a surprise.
Yes, I just saw you on TV.
You know I'm a celebrity. Are you good?
Yes, I'm fine. Are you free this evening?
Well, it all depends on what you have in mind.
There's something I want to discuss with you.
Is everything all right?
Oh, yes. Is 8 o'clock fine? That's when I leave here.
Well, it's okay with me, but I'll test you the place.
Oh, I'm inviting you out.
You know, I have the taste of the best of everything, so don't eat.
Okay, I hear you. Anyway, see you later then. Bye.
All right, see you later. Take care.
What am I doing?
How come you're home so early today?
I realized how bored you were by yourself.
Oh, aren't you not, darling?
I am. Yeah, did you talk to your mom about getting someone to come and live with us?
Yeah, I did. And she was talking about some cousins and daughters of some distant relatives.
Okay. So, should I advertise for professional help?
Babe, can we get someone that can come clean and go? Because I'm not too comfortable with strangers around.
Hey. We have talked over this. Okay. I do not want to be worrying over you when I'm away. Knowing that you are all alone here, most importantly, carrying heavy stuff when you're supposed to be in bed.
I'm not bedridden.
I know, but I know how devastated you were when...
You can say it.
You know, it's your happiness I want. And the baby. So, should I advertise for the professional help?
Okay, that's what will make you feel better. It's fine.
All right.
Wow, I'm so tired. Hey, see, Marjorie's husband.
Really?
Yes. You know what? Let me go and say hi to him and come, okay?
I'll be waiting for you.
How are you?
I'm fine. You're looking good.
Thank you.
What is it?
It's just, nothing really. Nothing.
Are you sure?
Yes, will you just shut up?
What are you doing? That's rude.
It is none of your business, okay? Sorry to disappoint you. This is an old favorite of mine. I am not the naive introvert girl you used to know back then. Maybe I should be taking you around to show you places.
Oh, someone is now an uptown girl.
As a matter of fact, I am.
But you've never been naive, not at any time.
And whom are you videoing? What are you going to use these things for?
Will you give me a break?
Is there something you're hiding from me?
Look here, I didn't come here for this, okay?
Whom are you going to send this video to?
Yes.
Excuse me.
Is it work? Do you have to go?
No. You're looking well.
Well? Well. Interesting choice of words. Are you trying to be safe for me?
Do I have to be? Excuse me.
You're sure you don't want to get that?
No.
Okay.
So, since you are familiar with this place, what are we having?
It's a bit late and I've trained myself not to eat.
You mean nothing at all?
Maybe some chicken will do.
Waiter,
You have no idea why those two are out. Can we just enjoy our night out in peace, please?
You don't know what you're talking about.
Then what is it? You have to tell me.
Excuse me. Yes.
Where are they now?
Right here. Making their orders.
Then why isn't he picking my calls?
Your guess is as good as mine.
You know what? You go over there and you give him the phone.
Excuse me?
You heard me.
Of course not. See, Festus cannot know that I sent you those videos.
Baba, I'm not concerned about that right now.
Listen, I'm going to get out of here before he sees me and knows without telling that I give you that piece of information.
No, you can't do that. At least stay there and let me know exactly what's going on.
Marjorie, I have done what I could do. You know how Festus respects me. The minute he finds me here, he will know.
Okay. What do you think? You're the one that's there. Does it look like the two of them are up to something?
I don't know, Marjorie.
Come on, give me something.
Well, they seem too close.
Where are you?
Dimensa.
Is that a restaurant or a hotel?
For crying out loud, Marjorie, it is a hotel.
Send me the location.
so you called me here to discuss something with me?
Yes. Well, I think it's about time we speak about our children.
What do you mean?
Our children have been on and off for so long, and I think Joshua would be. It's a good match for Valerie.
So you called me here to talk about matchmaking.
You don't think it's important?
It's flimsy.
Don't flatter yourself. There's no other reason for this meeting. But seriously, Val is 29, and I haven't seen any friend as faithful as your son. I think they'll make an incredible couple. Say something.
Okay.
That's it.
What, were you hoping for an objection?
No, but
But what?
I don't know.
Could have said this over the phone. Do you have something else you want to talk to me about?
Like what?
You know what I mean.
Baba, are you still there?
Yes. I am just about to leave. Are you on your way already? See, I sent you the address.
Yes, I've seen it. I'm still dressing up.
Dressing up? What for?
What do you think I'm going there to do? My husband is the governor. When I go to meet him, I need to look every bit like the wife of a governor. And Betsy must know that even though she's a minister of state, I am the wife. Oh, this is intellectual warfare, my friend. I've got to get going. I'll call you later.
Okay. Good luck then. Just be careful, okay?
Thanks.
I know, you can say that again. Exactly my point. Uh-huh. Just hold up a second, yeah? Mavis! Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm tired.
Please welcome.
Can you please get me a glass of juice?
Okay, madam.
So how are you holding up? Muti, you need to move on. You're a man. You and I know she just made a fool out of you. I'm just glad you both did not have kids. It looks like you and I have the same experiences when it comes to love. At least I have been able to move on after what that man did to me. He still calls time to time just to see if things will work, but I don't give him that space. And that is what I need you to see. I'm too busy building up my life, and I need you to do the same. You know you're my little brother. Please. Life is not all about sex and love. And it's about time you get to see that and understand that. Yes.
Hey.
Daddy, are we living in this house together?
I should be the one asking you that.
Muti wants to talk to you.
Eish, I didn't know he was the one on the line. Is your mommy back?
I don't think so. I'm sure she's at one of her dinner parties. I wish I was her. Muti, I'll call you.
Yeah, hello, Muti. Yes, boy. Oh no, I was in the neighborhood. I went to see a friend down there.
I'm fine, really. How long has it been?
Since?
We stepped out like this.
Do I remember?
Anyway, how is work?
Are you happy, Betsy?
What do you mean?
You know just what I mean.
Yes. I am.
Why don't I believe you?
Well, and what will I do if that was the case? Get a divorce? Get back into the dating market? How absurd that will be.
Betsy, you are a beautiful woman. And you are not happy.
I didn't say that. Malik is. Same old Malik. He treats me right. He's a good man. He's caring. He's committed. It's about 30 years of marriage, you know.
So what is wrong?
Don't do that.
Do what?
You can't hold my hand. You can't do anything out of the ordinary. Especially with the scandal that we just had, thanks to your son.
I don't know how you do that.
Do what?
Bottle everything in.
Don't mind me. I'm just feeling a bit silly. I think we should get going now. What are you doing?
I'll be right here.
I don't think that's a good idea. I think we should maintain the cordial relationship we've had over the years.
I wasn't thinking beyond that.
Good.
Okay. Hello, Mom. It's been 1 week since she left. And she's still not back. Where else will I look? She has no friends. She broke up with Moses. And with Tony, I'm not sure he wants to see her because of how she ended things between them. Mom, I'm sure she's not there. I've been to the shop severally since she left, but she hasn't been there. Where else will I look? Moses rented the place for her, but I guess she's no longer interested in using the place after the breakup. Mama, or probably she doesn't want to see me. I didn't do anything to her, I promise. She only abused Michael when he came over to see me. I got upset and decided to pack out. But she left. Mama, you better come here and sort things out too. Me, I can't leave school and go chasing after her when I don't even know where she is. I will find a part-time job, anything at all to help you pay for my fees. I won't drop out of school. I will make you proud one day, Mama. So when are you coming? Mama, I've told you I won't have time to go looking for her. Hello, Ma. I have to go. My study group leader is calling. Okay, bye. Hey, babe. No, it was just Mom. Where are you? Okay, I'm coming.
I think it's simple political marketing. I shouldn't be schooling you on that. You should read about it.
All right. Just send me some references. But you do know that there'll be some tension if it comes out that Reynolds is the financier.
And who's going to put his name on the donor list? This is not a safe topic to be discussing over the phone. All right? Let's have a game over the weekend. You said you're coming on Tuesday?
Yeah.
You take your friend with you?
Who?
Valerie.
No. Why?
I think it's about time you two get serious.
We're not even dating now.
Well, you should think about changing that.
Since when did you start thinking about my dating status?
Well, I think you should settle down, find yourself a responsible, hardworking, respectable woman. All right? And I don't see any woman better than that girl, if you ask me.
Well, I'm not asking you. Good night.
Good night.
And where are you coming from?
Ceci, I thought your farewell would be more eventful.
Dada,
You forget how old I am.
I am sorry.
For what?
I didn't mean to put shame to you.
You think I care about shame over your happiness?
I can't marry that man. I can't.
I know that. You have such big dreams. I doubt if anyone in this village can help you become that person you want to be. Not even a fool.
So you agree?
I will only support this dangerous move you're about to make if you can make me one promise. That you will not return like this. That whatever shame this brings, whatever consequences there are, you will make it worth it.
I swear it, Dada. I will fight. I will work. I will do anything to excel. Go to school, learn a trade or anything.
It will not be easy. It's not going to be easy.
I know.
You don't know. You have no idea. Come here. Remember this day. Remember this moment. When the going gets tougher and tougher, know that as long as I have life, my prayers will always be for you to excel, to find favor, to accomplish everything you want to realize your dreams,
and that I will come back to meet you alive.
Amen.
In good health.
Amen.
Strong.
Amen.
And waiting.
Amen.
Thank you, Dada.
Go well, my child.
Amen.
The Lord be with you, shield you, protect you, and bless you.
Amen.
It's well.